ClarityAA, adjectives and adverbs help you to speak with more precision and clarity. That makes it easier for people to understand the details and hence can take action faster with less misunderstandings based on assumptions. So let's look at what an adjective is. He is rather slow but thorough. Slow and thorough are the adjectives. Now let's look at the adverbs. Slowly and thoroughly. He works slowly but thoroughly. Again, here, the adjective is easy. It's easy. But the adverb is easily. You can do it easily. Here, the adjective is unpleasant. The heat is unpleasant in here. And here, the adverb is unpleasantly, the ly. It's unpleasantly hot in here. So let's take a more businessy approach. This one is the adjective. That's a frank answer. Nothing to do with frank. That means rather direct. And the adverb? Frankly. Frankly, I don't agree with you. And here we go. An adjective with a pronunciation might catch you out. Personal. Let's not get personal. Or the adverb, personally. Many people think that he's rude, but personally, I don't think he is. And of course, there's an exception. His English is very good. He speaks English very well. So good is the adjective and well is the adverb. You can't say his English, he speaks English very goodly. Wow. So in terms of word order then, we're thinking adverb, verb, object. Corinne frequently drinks tea. But the adverb can also come at the end of the sentence, much like in German. She told the story about her disastrous job interview rather amusingly. The adverb comes at the end there. Naturally, the adverb is now at the beginning. They rejected her, but she's in a great new job now. So, don't be frightened of using adjectives and adverbs. Be brave and try to use more adjectives and adverbs starting right now by creating a list of them to use at work. Begin with your next meeting. What are the adjectives that your colleagues use? Which ones would help you to speak up with more clarity and confidence?